You want to discover the world, to see the most incredible sights and awe-inspiring views on our planet, to immerse yourself in a country's culture and view it through the eyes of a local, to not just see more and do more, but to give more and make life-changing moments for you and for others.
We want to take people to see those incredible sights. We also really want to immerse people in the local culture so they come back with new friends in far-flung places and really have memories that last a lifetime. You know, that's what travel is for me.
Visiting the landmarks of the country, we're eating incredible food. At the same time, we're going back to local communities and enriching life and have a great understanding of the overall concept of the country.
One of the most inspiring days.
If you love traveling, giving back or paying it forward, if you love people, just go. It's nothing like a normal tour.
Sightseeing, beautiful hotels, beautiful cuisine, but the biggest part has been the immersion with the local communities. I don't think there's too many other tours that can offer you that opportunity.
Not only got to act as a tourist, but also got to immerse myself in the culture and live amongst the locals.
Being on the tour itself allows you to experience things that you might not necessarily know about or stumble across if you were touring by yourself.
It wasn't all just deep and meaningful, it was a whole lot of fun as well.
The places you'll see, you'll remember forever.
Seeing all of those beautiful sights that you've always dreamed of, just been the perfect balance.
You're going to get exactly what you're looking for. Exactly what you're looking for and more.
Hands-on journeys, life-changing small group tours.